Okay, so last time we had our discussion about sa elements of computer. Tama, yun nga yung naging discussion last week, di ba?
Opo.
All right, so let's have a short review. So what are the elements of a computer system?
Hardware, software, peopleware, dataware.
All right, so hardware, software, peopleware, and dataware. So ano naman ang bumubuo sa classifications of hardware?
Pwede po ba tumisan?
Dalawa yan, dalawang classifications of hardware. Ako nawala na.
Systems, hardware,
Systems hardware at saka
peripheral hardware.
iyon, peripheral hardware. So yung systems hardware, so yun yung mga hardwares na nasa loob ng system unit. Kapag peripheral hardware, nasa labas naman ng system unit. Okay? And then classifications of software naman.
System software,
System software, tama? Meron tayong system software and walang peripheral software.
application software.
Yes, application software. Mga isa estudyante ko, no? Isa sumasagot eh. Alright, so papasok ngayon tayo sa capabilities of computer. So yan ang discussion for today. So isa-isahin muna natin bago ko i-discuss bawat isa, no? So capabilities of computer. So unang-una dyan ay accuracy. Right? Accuracy. Self-checking. Third is automatic. Fourth is speed. Fifth, repetitiveness. Sixth, store and recall information. And seventh is wide range of application. Nakapagbasa-basa ba kayo sa ng module nyo? Ito maiksi lang itong ating discussion for today. So first is accuracy. Isa sa mga kakayanan, pag sinabi kasi capabilities of computer, ito yung kakayanan ng computer. Ito yung kayang gawin. Okay? Kayang gawin ng computer. So computers can perform mathematical operation with 100% correctness if it is given correct data. Okay, so accurate, very accurate ang computers. Hindi nagkakamali ang computer sa computation. Kahit na malalaki ang amount na kailangan i-compute, basta tama ang ibibigay na input. Okay, as long na tama yung inputs, as long na tama lahat ang data and instructions, hindi pwedeng magkamali ang computer. Alright? Accurate, 100% correct ang laging ibabato ng computer sa atin. Second, self-checking. So a computer verifies the correctness of the work to ensure that all data are accurate. So connected, magkakonekta yung first and second. Meron kasi itong built-in system na nagre-regulate sa data flowing sa loob ng computer. And it performs self-checking to keep the integrity of data.
Sir, may I go out po?
Okay, go ahead. Kaya nga ang computer ay laging accurate. It's 100% accurate. Perfect. Perfect kung sumagot si computer. Kasi meron din siyang self-checking. And for it to be able to keep the integrity of the data, so kailangan lagi siya mag-perform ng self-checking. Para laging accurate ang lahat ng ibabato niyang sagot. Alright, third is automatic. Automatic ang computer, A computer can operate by itself. Okay? It can operate by itself if all data instructions are fed properly onto it. A computer can execute instructions without human intervention. So, ibig sabihin, a computer can run by itself if all data are entered into it correctly and properly. And computer is also designed to automatically wait until it receives new instructions and information. Let's have a situation, okay? Have you been to Alphamart or Save More? Yes, no.
Opo.
Yes. Ngayon, sa Alphamart, pagka ikaw ay magbabayad na, saan ka napunta? Saan dapat pumunta?
Cashier po.
The cashier. And the cashier has a counter. Diba? So yung counter niya has computers.
There
may
go out.
Go po. So yung computer na yon, so yung kanyang yung items na pinamili natin, ang gagawin ni cashier ay babarlin niya or itatapat sa scanner. Tama? Ginagawa ba ng cashier yon?
Opo.
Ngayon, pagka tumapat na sa scanner, automatically, lalabas ngayon sa kanyang screen ang price, di ba? Yung presyo ng yung presyo ng pinamili. So by then, masasabi natin na automatic ang computer. Diba, itinapat lang sa scanner si item with a barcode, automatic lalabas na yung price. And automatic din na i-add na. Isa-sum up ng computer or ng cash register yung kung magkano lahat ng iyong pinamili. Right? So that's the example ng pagiging automatic ng computer. Alright? Naintindihan ba yung first hanggang third?
Opo.
Alright? So accurate or accuracy, self-checking, automatic. Papasok ngayon tayo sa speed. Right? So a computer can process and calculate large amount of data and problems at a very fast rate. Okay? A computer can perform millions of operations in just split seconds. Okay? Not just for calculations, pati operations kaya niya. So when it comes to speed, we can rely on computers, for they are really fast when it comes to computation and data processing. So imagine pagkatapat lang noon, di ba? Yung kanina, yung sample kanina, sa counter, cashier, no? Tinapat lang si item, lalabas na si price. Pag tinapat uli another item, lalabas yung panibagong price, i-add na niya. Di ba? Ang bilis eh. Tapos hanggang sa makarating ka sa pinakahuling item na iyong bibilhin, isasama up na kagad niya at lalabas na kagad ang total ng iyong bill na pagbabayaran. Okay? Next is repetitiveness. Sige nga lahat nga, repetitiveness. Kaya bang bigkasin?
Repetitiveness. Repetitiveness.
Alright, so sa I'm going to give you a situation, Okay, so halimbawa, grade 6, pinag-drawing ko kayo halimbawa ng bird. Okay? After that, natapos nyo ng drawing ng bird, ng ibon. Halimbawa lang halimbawa pinag-drawing ko kayo. After drawing a bird, pinag-drawing ko uli kayo. Bird uli. Okay? Natapos niyo yung bird, yung pangalawang bird. After that, sinabi ko, mag-drawing uli kayo ng another bird. 3 na. Hanggang sa nakalima na kayo. Sa tingin niyo, what would you feel? Mapapagod kaya kayo?
Mas mabilis po yung process ng pagdodrawing.
Okay? Magiging mabilis yung process. Para pag pinaulit ko ulit. Para pag pinaulit ko ulit, nakasampu na kayo.
Mapapagod.
Puro bird lang ang gagawin niyo.
May inis.
Di ba? So, siyempre, magko-complain na rin kayo at the same time, di ba? You're going to complain na nakakapagod nga. So, sabihin, yun ang tao. Well, a computer can do a job as many times as you want. As you want it. Without complaining or getting bored. Kasi nakaka-boring na talaga pag paulit-ulit, di ba? So, yun nga, ulit.
Okay.
A computer can do a job as many times as you want it to be. Without complaining or getting bored and without stopping unless you turn off the computer power. Okay, have you been to malls? Sa mga mall?
Opo.
Okay, so as you can see sa ating slide, yung ganyan yung mga commercial ads, yung mga graphics.
Ano na naman?
Di ba may mga naka-display na ganyan? Kagalit ano? Kagalit ka saya.
Bili ka sa, ano naman?
Alright. So, yung mga naka-display na yan, di ba sa graphics, mga commercials, they are being shown continuously without stopping. Papalit-palit, di ba? Yung graphics display niya. So, kahit yan yung magdamag pa naka-play, kahit maghapon magdamag na naka-display yung graphic display niya, pwede. Kaya niya yan. As long na hindi siya ito turn off. Hanggat di switch off ang power nito, dire-diretso lang siya magpe-play. Right? So, yun yung repetitiveness. Kaya niya magpaulit-ulit na gawa. Right? Understood? Yung panlima. Okay? 6. Ano ba 6 natin? 6 is store and recall information. Yan. Nasa pang 6 na tayo, no? So, a computer can store large amount of information. It can even keep a whole set of encyclopedia. How many books do you have now sa ating ngayong sa ating school year? How many books do you have?
6.
6 na ba? 6 books?
5.
5 lang. Imagine, kahit mga times 100 pa yan, or kahit mga times 1,000 pa yung books nyo ngayon, kaya yang i-save, kayang ma-save o kayang ma-store sa computer. Kasi nga ang computer has a large storage capacity. And if you want to access it, pwede mo siyang ma-recall anytime you want. Okay? So that's store and recall information. Lastly, okay, mabilis lang ating discussion, wide range of applications. Okay, so computers are used in many fields. It is used in education, in entertainment, in business, in medicine, in communication, in record keeping, engineering, design, and animation. Have you seen Have you seen Encanto, mga ganung movies? Incredibles.
Opo.
Yung ano po.
We don't talk about Bruno, no. Mga ganun. So yung mga yon ginawa sa computers. Okay? So may mga special programs, special applications kung saan pwedeng makagawa ng mga animation.
Ay, ko ngayon ko lang napansin. Naka-off pala yung camera.
So mayroong mga special application din kung saan pwede kang mag-drawing directly sa kanilang screen. Meron din special application kung saan pwede kang mag-type, magawa ng documents. Yan. And that is why computer is an essential tool of everyday living, from simple household to the most complicated activities. Wide range of applications. So there are many applications that we can use, that we could use gamit ang computer. Okay, nauunawaan ba capabilities of computer?
Opo.
Yes, quiz na tayo ngayon.
Ay, hindi pa po pala.
Ay, hindi ba na. All right. Okay, kung mayroong capabilities of computer, it also has its limitations. Okay, so may kakayanan din siya, may limitasyon din ng computer. So kung kanina sabi ko, it's automatic, di ba? The computer is automatic, but it cannot do what it is not instructed for it to do. Hindi niya kayang gawin ang isang bagay na hindi sa kanya iniuutos. A computer is dependent on the data and instructions.
So, para po siyang slave.
So the operations it performs are based on the instruction given by the users. So a computer cannot perform operations which are not asked for it to do. So example ulit natin sa cashier. Okay? Di ba pag itinatapat yung item, yung mismong mayroong barcode sa scanner, pag tinapat niya yun, anong mangyayari? Anong
Malalaman
ipapakita?
yung presyo.
Malalaman ng presyo. And mag-a-add siya, di ba? Automatically, mag-a-add na siya na i-a-add ang lahat ng items na pinamili mo. Gising. Si Kino pikit na. Alright. Okay, so pag tinapat niya sa scanner, lalabas ngayon yung price kasi mababasa niya, mariread niya yung barcode. And automatically, maipapakita niya yung price. Ngayon, the question is, what if walang ginawa yung cashier? Hindi niya itinapat yung item sa scanner. May gagawin ba yung computer?
Wala po.
Wala, di ba? So yung cash register niya, walang gagawin kasi wala rin namang ginawa yung user. Walang ginawa yung cashier. So yun ang sinasabi na a computer cannot do what it is not instructed for it to do. Okay? Hindi kaya mag-perform ng operation ang computer kung hindi naman siya sinasabihan or kung walang command galing sa user. So that's the first limitations of computer. Hindi niya kaya magtrabaho o wala siyang kayang gawin kung hindi naman siya uutusan. Right? So hindi gaya ng tao. Ang tao kasi may kusang gawa. Ang computer wala. Okay, next. Second is, it cannot correct wrong instructions. Ang computer kaya niya mag-self-check, pero hindi niya kayang itama yung pagkakamali na makikita niya. A computer is not capable of checking wrong instructions. So the users are the ones who check errors after the computer detects it. Okay, so computers can only detect errors. Kaya lang nila ma-detect. Kaya niya mag-self-check. Pero hindi niya kayang i-fix yung mismong defect na yun. Yung error should be corrected by the users. Okay, so meron pa rin human intervention. Tao pa rin ang magko-correct kung ano man ang mga errors na ma-detect ng computer. Right? Third, it cannot perform creative thinking. So humans are more creative than computers. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Tingin nyo?
Tama.
Okay, so to bring out a good output, para makapagbigay ng good output ang computer, the computer needs a good input. At yung good input na yon ay manggagaling sa tao. Alright? So kaya lang makakapaglabas ng magandang output ang isang computer kasi maganda rin yung input na binibigay ng tao. Kasi nga, hindi naman niya kayang mag-isip mag-isa ng creative thinking. So kung ano lang ibabato ng tao, yun lang din ang kanyang gagawin. Designing, gaya ng pagdidesign and animation. Hindi naman mabubuo yung movie na Encanto, Incredibles, Addams Family. Ano pa ba mga movies mga ganda dyan? Marvel. Diba? Yung may mga special effects. Thor, Captain America, Iron Man. Okay? So those movies ay made by creation. Made by wide creativity ng tao. So yun, ipapasok ng tao, so i-input ng tao yun sa computers para nga magkaroon ng magandang output, which is yun na nga yung movies na mga napapanood natin. Alright, fourth. Computer is prone to viruses. So a computer, if not properly taken care of with securities and antivirus software, it might end up to crashing due to malwares. So, di ba pinag-aralan natin sa TLE before kung paano makakaiwas ng mga viruses, di ba? So,
Opo.
kasi nga ang computer, prone yan talaga, very prone to viruses kasi connected tayo sa internet eh. And yung internet ay may mga websites na nabubuksan tayo minsan na may mga pop-ups.
Para pong target.
Yung mga pop-ups kasi usually may mga ano yan eh. May mga nakalink na viruses, mga malwares. Na once na na-click natin yung pop-up or na-download natin yung kanyang pinapa-download, so kasama na, no? Kasamang mapapa-download pati yung virus. And without proper knowledge about it, at saka wala tayong mga antivirus software, hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga firewall, so madaling mapapasok ang computer natin ng mga viruses. So we must take care of our computers pagdating sa mga viruses. Right, fifth, last but not the least. Ayun na lumabas. Ayun. A computer is subject to physical failure and occasional breakdown. So gaya ng tao, just like humans, a computer needs caring because it is subject to occasional breakdown due to improper maintenance, due to improper use, and due to wear and tear. So ito rin yung dahilan. So that is also why there's always do's and don'ts lessons in our subject to remind everyone what caring must be done to computers. So kailangan natin pangalagaan ang ating computers. No matter what. Kasi essential na yan eh. Computers have been essential to our daily living. So kung ito ay necessity na natin, essential na natin, dapat pangalagaan natin. Para magamit pa natin siya na mas matagal na panahon. So I have my laptop right here. Si Hermione ay grade 2 pa, second grade pa siya nung nabili ko tong laptop. And until now, nagagamit ko pa rin. At ngayon nga, ginagamit ko sa online classes. Alright, is there any question? Okay na yun. Last part na yun. Any question about the capabilities and limitations of computer?
For me, wala na po.
Wala na po.